we are so happy for you. Happy married life. Nalla happy are. And Ankit, Jiju, welcome to the family. We are so happy to have you. All the best for the new beginning.
Hey, hi Ankit and Kavita. Wish you a very happy married life. Ankit, welcome to the family. We'll meet after lockdown.
Yeah, we'll all
Have
meet.
a great time. Yeah.
Have fun for now.
Bye.
Hi Kavita and Ankit, wish you both a happy married life. கல்யாணம் ரொம்ப நன்னா நடந்தது. எங்களால் தான் வர முடியாமல் போயிடுச்சுமா. நன்னா என்ஜாய் பண்ண ஹாப்பி மேரிட் லைஃப் நன்னா இருக்கணும், சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும் ஆயுசு முழுக்க. ஓகே, எப்போ நல்ல இது வருதோ நாங்கள்லாம் வந்து ஒன்று பார்க்குறோம்மா. ஓகே, பாய்.
கவிதா, நல்ல ஆயுசோட நல்லா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும். கல்யாணம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, நான் பார்த்தேன். ரொம்ப ஜோரா இருந்தது கல்யாணம். பார்ட்டிக்கிட்டு எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது.
Hey Kavita and Ankit, finally the day is here. Congratulations for getting married. We are so happy for you.
And although we couldn't make it there personally, we were watching every second of it. Amma was showing us close-ups of everything, and we just wish we could have been there to celebrate it with you. But we shall meet soon, very soon, towards the end of the year again. Until then, have a really nice, happy married life. All the best. Bye.
We'll meet you soon.
Hi Ankit and Kavita, wishing you both a very happy married life.
Happy married life, Ankit and Kavita.
From Ramesh and Rohan, Bangalore.
Hey Ankit and
Hi
Kavita,
guys.
wishing you both a very happy married life. वेस्ट कोस्ट के लिए एक ट्रिप प्लान कीजिए, हम यहाँ पे घूमेंगे. और विशिंग यू बोथ मैनी मोर फुल मून्स टुगेदर. Have a wonderful life together.
Hi guys. Wish you a very happy married life.
I saw the pictures on the group. You guys look great together. I really wish we both were there at the venue to to be part of all the fun. So wish you guys a happy married life once again and a great life ahead.
All the best.
Okay, bye bye guys.
Congratulations Kavita Chitti and hello Ankit Chittappa.
We love you.
Happy married life, Kavita and Ankit. God bless you both.
Hey Kavita, wishing you and Ankit a very happy married life. May you be blessed with lots of happiness, peace and prosperity.
Hi Kavita, congratulations from us. And we saw your marriage video. You're looking really fab and सही दिख रही थी यार. A very beautiful pink lehenga. And say hi to Ankit. Congratulations again. And hope you're doing well. Have a great life ahead. And this is Meenakshi. Meenakshi, say hi. Hi to Chitti. Hi Chitti, congratulations.
Kavita, all the best. Wish you happy married life. Congratulations.
Kavita and Ankit, wish you happy married life.
Hi Kavita, Sundar here. Wish you a very long and happy married life. Have a nice time together. All the best.
Hello. Congratulations Kavita and Ankit. Wishing you a very happy married life. May all your dreams be fulfilled. Happiness throughout. Remain blessed. From all of us. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Kavita. Just got to know from my mom that you got married. Wish you and Ankit a happy married life.
Happy married life, Kavita and Ankit.
Dear Ankit and Kavita, our best wishes for your long married life.
Our dear Kavita and Ankit, hearty congratulations to both of you to lead a long, happy, peaceful married life. Though miles apart, though we were not physically present yesterday to see the celebrations, we were overcarried by the celebrations going on there. Really, it was so nice to go through the celebrations. All those shortcomings were overcompensated by the reverberations going over there. by the chanting of the divine names Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. And the humble obeisance, all of them paid to their Guru. We were very much pleased with those celebrations. And to be very frank, to talk about Ankit, in all his facial expressions and gestures, he resembles the great famous actor hero Gemini Ganesan. He will be lovely. So, Kavita, you are very lucky to enjoy his lovely nature. And to talk about Kavita's good qualities, there are so many good qualities I have to mention. She is very lovable, her social mingling is very, very good, and the readiness to help anyone in the way they like. It's quite captivating. Why I am telling this is, when we had been to their house years back, the readiness, that is my husband, he is not a person to praise anyone so easily. He is very much pleased with her good qualities and the way she helped him in all the activities going on there. So we have to mention it here. Capitan. You might have known about her paternal auntie Viji. She is my sister-in-law come sister. When she was bedridden in Bombay, she used to tell me, Akka, I am very, very lucky to enjoy the kind nursing of Kavita. Though the body full, I feel the pain. So what more praise she needs. So really, Mr. Ankit, she is an asset to you and you are a great asset to her. So enjoy your life with more peace, happiness by God's grace. May God bless you.
Bless you.
Hi, Anandi here. I'm Sagita's cousin from Chennai. Wish you both a very happy married life. God bless you with all blessings.